Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop iOS 26 update from downloading on your iPhone. Sometimes iPhones automatically start downloading the latest iOS update and many people don't want it to use extra storage on Wi-Fi. Here's what you can do. Step 1. Go to settings. Tap on general. Then tap iPhone storage. Scroll down and find iOS update file. If it's already downloaded, just tap on it and choose delete update. This will remove the update from your iPhone. To prevent your iPhone downloading updates again, tap Software Automatic Updates. Here turn off Download iOS Updates and also turn off Install iOS Updates. This way your iPhone won't download future updates automatically.